What is up guys? Welcome to my channel, and for today we're going to unbox a new item. Nagiging trending siya ngayon, and I've always waited this one for a long time because I'm not that kind of guy who upgrades a phone every year. And for today, I received this one from Shopee. It was due to the last 10/10 sale. So I got this for a discount somehow, and mas mura siya compare sa regular store price. So I got this one. It's a iPhone 13, only regular. We're going to unbox this now. Now I'm come from iPhone XR, and I use this for about 3 years. Hindi ako nag-upgrade every year eh. So I got this one. Oh my, this is really thin. You know, this is the original box from my iPhone XR before. It's quite small. It's thin now because wala na nga siyang charger. Anyway, these are the boxes. So yeah, there's some difference right now. The difference also is that ngayon is wala na siyang plastic. So everything is sealed by this tab. So let's pull the tab. Now we're gonna unbox this one. Ooh, this is the new iPhone 13. Wow, it's really slick. It's really different. Actually, nakita ko na siya sa shops dati, and I never imagined how will I own, paano kapag na-own ko na siya. And I don't know. Right now, paper na ang gamit niya eh. So we're gonna pull this tab. Okay. Wow. That's our shiny new iPhone. Cool. Sobrang kintab. I really like it. I mean, I came from a blue iPhone, and I really love the blue color of this right now. So, wow, nice. The camera is quite bigger, and the buttons, yeah, it's really clicky as always. So, let's see what's inside of this box. Fortunately, napaka-konti at hindi ganun ka-satisfying ng unboxing ng iPhone now. Kasi binawasan nila naman for this one. We have USB-C to Lightning documents. We have SIM ejector, some papers, and only one Apple sticker. That's it. As they say, this is for the environment. So let's move on, and let's try to turn on this iPhone. Okay, it boots up. I have this iPhone XR that I used to. This one, blue rin siya, and I really love this phone. Hindi talaga ako yung pala upgrade ng phone. So having this new iPhone now is quite an upgrade actually for me, because from this XR, which is only have one camera, ngayon I have a dual camera. One is wide and one is a normal camera. And as they say, this screen is now Pro XDR, so it's much more clearer rather than in this XR, which is an LCD. So yeah, it's an upgrade actually. So anyway, let's dive into the features of this. So right now I'm gonna set up this iPhone. So basically ito na yung dalawang phone. Size wise, mas manipis, parang mas manipis to, parang mas madudulas mo siya sa kamay. Pero ito parang, ewan ko, parang secure to siya sa akin eh. So far ang changes is like yung notch niya is parang mas lumiit, and then somehow yung, of course, obviously the camera is already two sets of camera. One is wide angle, right? Well, design element is almost the same pa rin. This is the power button, the volume rockers, and the lock. The bezel here is really thin, unlike sa XR, medyo malaki pa yung bezel like that. And I'm happy that I will migrate this now. So it's 2 days now and I already use this iPhone. I already migrated my data from my iPhone XR and it's already boxed here and it's ready to be given away. And what can I say for this unit? Number one, the battery. Battery can last like 1.5 days for me on my normal usage, which is browsing the internet, casual gaming, and taking pictures and all of those stuff na ginagawa natin on a usual daily basis. It will last for you about 1.5 days. Number two, yung screen niya, which is yung Super Retina XDR display. Napakaganda ng view niya kapag nanonood ka ng mga movies and you're doing some editing and taking pictures. It's really sharp. Black is black, white is white. Ganyan ang nakikita ko dito so far. Unlike dito sa XR, which is LCD. Pero maganda rin naman before. I'm really liking about it. But right now, I'm sticking to this screen now na sobrang detailed niya. And number 3, capacity of memory, 256. It will last me for about 3 years because hindi nga ako nag-upgrade ng phone every year. So, it will support my need. What can I say kung kailangan mo na mag-update from iPhone 12 to 13? Maybe hindi siguro muna. Kung meron kang iPhone 12, I might consider this one as a iPhone 12s kasi hindi naman ganun karami yung function na in-upgrade dito. But for me, that I came from iPhone XR, I think it will be a worthwhile shift because maraming ang upgrades dito. So, without further ado, it's really worth it for me. Yes, it's worth it for me. And I will maybe using it for a long run. So, I hope you guys watching my channel next time and we'll be reviewing some other stuff and unbox other stuff. And see you guys in my next vlog.